once again. Bridlington. Race the Waves. Age with me. Weather's looking a bit iffy at the minute, but hopefully it's just a sea mist that's going to burn off eventually. So we're going to have a walk down cars, have a look, see what's here, and then get a place down on to seawall so we can take some photos. But as always, just remember, I am the Barnsley biker. Please enjoy, please like, and please subscribe. Right, let's take a walk down these cars, see what's here. Hey, already there's a few familiar ones, but there's also a few that we've not seen before. So let's go and see what's here. How are we doing, guys? Say what you want, to be fair, I can edit it out, but who's driving? Dog?
Yeah, get driven properly.
Get driven properly.
She can beat the greyhounds in this, can't she?
Yeah.
A little bit short, but she'll be fine.
She'll be fine,
We've got
yeah.
a walking stick in the back.
Have a good day, guys. Old Rover, 3.5 litre probably, is it? Last minute tuning. Yeah. Who's got job of cleaning it after you've been on beach?
That's her job, isn't it?
Is it? Does she know yet? Have you told her? This is a regular. With belly tanker on. Aye.
Well, get rid of a bit more. I can't get rid of it though, because I don't want that money. No, I didn't mean get rid of it. I can get rid of more.
Yeah, belly tanker basically made out of the auxiliary fuel tanks that fighter planes used to have under the wings. Whether it's a genuine belly tank or just a made up, but it looks genuine. Yep. More traditional hot rods and old jalopies. They've been here before, I think. Yep. Another regular with matching beret. Yeah. Oh, MG. It's MG, isn't it? Is it? Yeah.
They did a special, didn't they? V8 in it.
Yeah.
Try an American turbo 350 box once, but it was too big. That took too much power out of the engine. They said, "I'll do it," even though the box was ordered fast and to know how power it would give to what width. And then they met the converter to suit that.
Flathead. Very nice. Aluminium seats.
Yeah, well, it's not belly tanker.
You're right there, man.
You were last year. Oh, bangers and cash. Yeah. Oh, very nice artwork. And the old jalopy. Yeah. I think if you're racing on the beach, a rat rod's the thing to have. And you don't worry too much about what the salt does. That's well back. Oh.
Yeah, I'll walk back.
No, it's free at the front anyway. We're $3. You might have a dignitary with it.
Another belly tanker style. Some proper old motors. Not the most comfortable of seats. Probably prefer that one. Morning.
Morning.
Fossil fuels are yummy. Let's get the patterning on it. That's interesting for Tina. It's proper.
Oh, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah. Nice traditional hot rod. And there we go, another belly tanker. Not sure. But I don't remember it having pointed nose. This way last year, but we struggled to get it running last year properly. Flag lady. Smile. But wrong way around so that you see it in your mirror. That's cool. Morning.
Hey, sir.
It's looking nice.
I don't know about that. Change your glasses.
Oh, hey, no, it's looking nice. Probably not be looking quite as clean later.
Well, that is true.
But have fun, that's the thing.
Thank you. Sorry.
Mustang's here again. It'll burn off.
Well, I hope so. I'm not
And then you'll be getting sunburned and complaining.
I didn't bring the fog lights.
No. Let's see, rows of them. Absolute rows of them.
It says they're there to be used, you know.
Yeah.
You what, sorry, Ed? Yeah. Yeah, there's quite a few new ones here this year, a few that I've not seen before. Oh. Gosh, is it? That's what I was just looking.
Oh, that looks wicked. You think you should?
Excellent. It's genuine to me. Hello. Hey, you having fun? Hey, smile for camera. Hey. Hey.
Nice hillbilly truck.
Entries were closed very quickly. If I'd have wanted to enter, I'd have struggled. I'd have missed it. It's also steampunk weekend, so you'll see quite a few with this pet dragon.
Oh yes,
What's it called?
this is Gorbash.
Gorbash.
Gorbash is very well trained, he's a land dragon. He just borrowed a couple of starter plugs from that car over there.
Is that to help with the flames?
Oh yes,
Yes.
oh yes. He's reanimated, he's even got his little cogs in there to keep him going.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Have a good day.
You do?
Yeah, I prefer this shape
Oh, yeah.
pickup, but I like seeing them all.
Is that one that's a horse wagon?
It's a kit. It's a replica.
Oh,
That were on Bangers and Cash, I think, or one very similar if it's not that one. Probably was that one. Yeah.
But again, the mechanical, so you've got the pusher.
Petrol head heaven. Oh. Yeah. I'm not sure I want to fill that up if the engine were warm.
It's all right, evaporates.
Exactly.
Built it 200 times, it's never got to be frozen. I've got 2 flight extinguishers on board anyway, so.
Oh, well, that's it. I'm all reassured.
Yeah.
Loving chain round it.
I'm loving that. Elle was full sec.
I came back. Yeah. Hello. Yes. You were here last year as well, weren't you?
I was here last. It's the 3rd year.
Yeah.
Well, 4th year actually here, but 3rd year racing, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember the motorhead on the side. Brilliant.
Is that shape you mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Rounded ones. Oh, I still wish I'd got my P100, Ford P100 pickup.
They're on the wreck, they're all from the bit of a rock box, aren't they?
Yeah, that one had a lot of work before I bought it, but splat the rat.
Hello. What? No, we're still going up cars.
Right, that's alright. I'm just heading down behind the spa.
Okay, fair enough.
Alright then, so
Oh.
how long to where we were last time?
Right, okay. Okay, see you in a bit. There's some really nice cars.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Be alright, I'll have a look at Mark's vlog.
Hey, he's got a guy on steam cook and he's got a dragon puppet.
Oh, brilliant. I'll be talking to him coming down on once.
Yeah, he's got a dragon puppet. And he's put some spark plugs in his nose.
They're pulling in.
I think we have to come in here. Yeah, well, like I said, it's on next year.
Oh.
I mean, if you had a smaller pot, you could get it.
For sale.
Yes, the T5.
Oh.
Slim.
Alright.
What I based my petrol tank on.
Bye. Right. She's just heading up to what we call it. Yes, a place up low.
That's what my paint job's based on.
Walk home.
Yeah. Loving it. Oh.
You're joking, it's one of these, it's only look. Fucking hell.
Not sure.
Yeah, so there's a load of steam pumps down below.
Another Bonneville Express. Nice. There's not much room for anything more than a motorbike engine in there, so it must be a, I'm guessing it's a 650 or similar.
Yeah, Jane's got a bus down into what do you call it?
Bridlington. Yeah.
Got from Spa. Quick meet up with some friends.
And she's walking back up.
And then she's walking back up to get another.
Okay. So there you have it. That's the lineup of cars that are taking place. Proper eclectic mix of rat rods, hot rods, vintage, veteran, Bitzers. Beautiful. Okay, make us way down and find somewhere on Seawall to have a look. Plan ahead.